It's kind of funny how the morning changes things. Well, last night I could have sworn that I had some sort of grasp on that inexplicable sparkle that I was after, but nah, now it's gone. He's dead. And I'm knocked down, but I guess the only place I can go now is up. But before that, I'm probably gonna go find a gas station and get a honey bun or something. Then I gotta get a ride back into town.
It's in my car. Jesus Christ. Alright, I'm heading to the city now. I'll be in there maybe 30 minutes. I told you don't worry about it. No, I got it. You got a fucking problem, dude?
No, man, no. I was just going into town, and if I could hitch a ride, that'd be great. But if not, then don't worry about it. I'll figure it out.
Jesus Christ, man. You gonna split gas?
Yeah, of course. We'll split it half and half.
Fine. 88 Accord out front. Here's the keys, man.
Sweet. I appreciate it.
You're not gonna believe what just happened to me. God, man. Alright, I'll call you back.
Jesus.
Throw that in the bag, man.
Alright. Jesus. Dang, nice watch.
Whoa, man, come on.
Sweet.
Whoa, dude, I don't get in your car. Oh, wait, you don't have one. Don't get in my car and start touching stuff,
geez.
dude.
Alright. My bad, my bad.
Seriously, man? Did I say you could eat in my car?
I just bought this thing, dude.
No, man, throw it out. This is a 98 Accord.
Alright. Jesus, God forbid I spill crumbs on his trash pile. Well, thanks for the ride, first place Chad Tost.
Toast. It's Chad Toast, man.
Oh, alright, well,
And you?
I'm Rad Barocious. Thanks for the ride.
Yeah, I guess it's, nice to meet you, man.
See you, man.
Jesus Christ. Shut the fucking door!
My bad, dude, my bad.
Yes, it is!
Skylar, I'm so sorry.
Where are you
You're
going?
not gonna believe what happened to me.
Like, what are you doing with your time? You're obviously not training, otherwise you wouldn't be at my house eating my food. Like you're some sort of mooch. Why don't you move in back with your mother?
Of course I've been training. I always train. Look at me, I have the magnets on.
Wait. Who's that?
I'm going out.
Dude, I totally just hit you with my car. How many fingers, dude?
Oh, dude, you do not look good right now. Nope, nope, nope. Hey, stay with me. Stay. All right, there we go. Oh, what is that? Oh, Jesus. Where am I? Are you the guy that hit me with your car? Am I in your house? Why didn't you take me to the hospital?
Quit bitching. Alright, I'm doing the best I can with what I got, alright? I didn't pay my insurance coverage in like 7 years, so.
I'm 7.
Doing the best I can!
This is the best you can do, a tie?
Dude,
Where'd you find this?
Google, quick fix, Jesus. Calm down.
Calm down. Look at me. I'm in a stranger's house. I should
did
be
you-
in the hospital.
I WebMD'd you. Okay, you seem fine, but you might have narcolepsy. You were showing-
Narcolepsy?
you were
How
showing-
could I possibly have narcolepsy? What makes you think?
You were showing some symptoms.
What symptoms? What symptoms did I possibly have?
Excessive sleeping.
Excessive sleeping? Are you kidding me? You hit me with your car. You knocked me out. What do you think's gonna happen? Look, man, I'm fine, okay? I don't need this. I can move. I don't need this tie. I'm okay.
I saw the magnets. Dude, I know what you're training for. Fridge climbing.
What do you know about fridge climbing?
Delta formation. Only rookie uses delta formation.
Dude, I've climbed 7 inches using delta formation.
Omicron. Omicron,
What the hell is Omicron?
24 inches.
24? You did that?
24 inches.
Jesus, I've never heard of that.
Dude, just listen to me. I know what I'm talking about. Just gotta limber up. Limberness is key here. Okay? Jot that down, buddy. Okay. As much as I've ever gotten, dude.
That was great. How long have you been doing this for?
5 years, my man. Here, you try.
What's this?
The Omicron formation.
Alright. Wow. That's the farthest I've ever gotten.
That was impressive. How long you been training for? 5, 10 years?
About a month and a half.
Dude, a month and a half this? Anyone's got a shot at doing this? It's you. I'll teach you everything I know. I'm Rom Boyd.
I'm Rad. Rad Brocious.
You know the day destroys the night, night divides the day. Try to run, try to hide, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, yeah. We chased our pleasures here, dug our treasures there. But can you still recall the time we cried? Break on through to the other side. Break on through to the other side.
Rom? Rom, are you okay?
Does it look like I'm okay?
Come on, let me get this.
No, dude. You only throw your back out.
My back's fine, dude. You're gonna die.
Just let me die. This is a one-way ticket. I'm gonna be dancing with the angels tonight.
But dude, you were so close.
I wasn't that close.
Dude, you were this close.
Oh, sweet. Rat, take my magnets and my headband. Never take them off. Never. Ugh.
God, I can't believe he's dead. I mean, yeah, I knew him for like 1.5, 2 days max, but still. He understood what it was I was after, and he was able to put it into some sort of context that made it apparent what it was that was lurking inside of me, but now I have no idea. I gotta get some sleep. You know, he could have left me his fucking car. He gave me the headband and the goddamn magnets, but how the hell am I supposed to get back into town? What a jackass. See ya.
Yeah, good luck. Shut the fucking door.
How the hell can she say I don't train? Jesus Christ, I was gone for 2 straight days training. What does she do? She sits around in her apartment, eats bread all goddamn day, and bitches about everything under the sun. Oh, God, I gotta get my mind off things. I think Chad's having a show today, so I'm gonna go check that out.
I guarantee that I could answer any one of your questions in less than 10 seconds. And I'm Chad Toast, the owner of that beautiful 1978 Honda Accord. Does anyone have any questions?
I do. Me.
How about you?
What's 23 times 47?
Well, let's see. About 1,081. That took me about 7 seconds to do. Yeah. Thank you. All right, what's next? Anybody?
Number one fan right here.
In the back, man.
Thanks. Love you, Chad. All right, what about this one? 6,728 divided by 882, multiplied by 0.37.
That's a good question. Okay, so it shouldn't take that long to start the timer now. Like 2.8.
He's done it again.
My next show will be October 25th at the Pit downtown, so please come on, check it out. I've been Chad Toast.
Do you respect me, Skylar? Do you respect what I'm trying to do? Do you?
Do you know how hard it is to date such a loser like you?
What are you talking about, Skylar?
Do
What are you talking
know
about?
how hard it is?
I saw Chad kiss you.
Yeah, I don't want to talk about this.
Come here. Where are you going?
My ride's
Where are
here.
you going? I'm trying to talk to you. Come here. Where are you going?
I'm done
Get back
with
here.
losers that eat my
Get back
food
here.
and live in my house. I only date winners. Like Chad.
Where are you going? Come here.
Whoa, man, whoa, dude, how would you let the
Hey,
lady
you
do what
shut
she
your
wants?
mouth when you're talking to me, Chad. You shut your mouth when you're talking to me. Get over here. Who do you think you are?
Come on, man.
Come here.
How about you just let the girl do what she wants?
Come here, dude. What are you doing? Who do
No,
you think
I'm
you
not
are,
gonna. I'm
bro?
not gonna do this. Shit. Get in the car. We're out of here, Skylar. Let's go.
what's on top of the fridge that you want to get to? And it really seems kind of pointless. You know, you realize you're the height of the fridge, right? You could honestly stand up and touch the top of it. Why are you climbing it? Okay, look, I'm not trying to be an asshole, but this is literally a stupid idea. You're climbing a refrigerator. Why don't you spend your time doing something a little more fridge,
Oh my
right? You
God,
could
are you
honestly
serious?
stand up and touch the
Are you
top of
se-
it.
you're gonna
Why
climb
are you climbing?
refrigerators for a living?
It's not
Are
even
you
a funny
sure?
joke.
This
You're
must
really
be-
gonna climb refrigerators for a living?
This isn't even a funny joke.
What's on top of the refrigerator? I don't get it. Why are you trying to
Do you
climb
know
the
how hard it is to get to the loser like you?
Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Motherfucker!
Yeah, it's a V6 4-door, about 300 to 400 horsepower. So, whoa, hold up. That loser's gonna try and climb a fridge. We've got to see this.
You've got to crush him.
We've got to see this. Yeah.
I'd like to thank you all for coming to watch me scale this fridge. In the past 5 months I've been training for this. My girlfriend left me because she thought I couldn't do it, and my best friend died trying to climb a fridge, so I'll be damned if I don't do it now.
No.
Hey! What's the 12 times 265?
Alright, it's just one question. Just let me get my timer for a second.
Hey, it's been 10 seconds already.
Yeah, I thought you were fast.
I mean, it's just your one.
Hey, there's a calculator on that watch.
He's a
fake!
Fake!
I'll take this. I'm out.
Oh, Chad's number one! You're awesome, Chad. Whoa, he's almost at the top.
Oh my god! He's almost
Rad,
I was so wrong about you. You ever